What you got? Wow. Musical instruments and Mr. Maker magazine. It's a CBeebies magazine. Cool. What else? Ooh. Those look like they're from Bella and Ollie. We'll have a read through them in a minute. Do you want to see what else is in here? I'll read you those in a sec. Here. What is it? Cool.
What is it?
Yeah, it's a craft thing. You can make funny faces. Valentine's hearts. Ooh, from Tiger. I love that shop. Bunny sticker and activity book.
Can I get one out?
Yeah. What do you say?
Thank you.